Greetings to everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Up and Knife Show. I'm your girl, Delica Brown-Ras, Dragon Star on the Wheels of Steel, Breads, Fire Q, DJ Rip, Mad One, Bros, big up on yourself anywhere that you are. This is what we do every Tuesday between 9 and 11, and we are sponsored by The Granaries, that is located at 6 Overton's Yard in Croydon. Make sure that you go over to their Instagram page to check out all their weekly events. Hottest place to be on the south side on a weekly basis, yeah? Shout out to everybody that is on our Instagram Live, on our Facebook Live, as well as the TGM Radio UK app, where you can listen to us and every other show on the go. Yeah? All gone for the man them. How was your weekend? Happy belated Father's Day once again. Happy belated Father's Day to the man them on the live. Trust and hope that everybody's day was a good one. You know, do some like interactive things with the children, and you spent a good day out or day in with them.
Fall.
Rain wasn't falling. Well, in the afternoon.
I know say God is a woman.
Why would you? Wait, such a bad man.
When the Mother's Day, sunshine and winter.
It was very beautiful on Mother's Day.
Father's Day, Father's Day things over the park. All of a sudden, nothing can go on.
No, you know what? It might beat some of them.
No.
Only Father's Day, them.
What you know? It might beat some of them, because some of them, only
the
Father's Day, them go show off for the pitney them. And them something there. I mean, I talk the part-time daddy them too.
Yeah, but Dragon.
Some of the deadbeat father them, me a cousin I don't like.
Dragon, you don't say we had a problem there too, because...
Who is we?
We who? Don't put me in the same boat as my father.
Let me finish talking.
Plane me come up and you know.
Anywhere reach your land.
Talking on the talkaphone, therefore we break.
We will sell it for 7 years a year, but for Mother's Day, all the deadbeat mother them still get Mother's Day, they not get no cousin.
That's not true.
When you ever see...
Not from... I'm only talking personally, like, because of people. No. And me hear other people because of...
I'm talking socially.
Deadbeat mothers.
Socially, when a Mother's Day, all the mother them are deadbeat.
Them still get them happy Mother's Day.
Yeah. That's what I'm supposed to say. Every father is every father.
And it's quite biased, as we see it every single year. We speak about it every year. Like when it comes to Mother's Day, you know that Mother's Day is approaching, because you see the shops them out in them various floral colors, Mother's Day cards, baskets, get you present here. You can do this, you can do that. But when it comes to the Father's Day, it's like it's non-existent. It's like it's really non-existent, and I find it quite unfair, especially for the Monday.
Right now, you're still...
Where do the right thing for as a father, and them now get the appreciation that they should be getting.
Right now, you have one truckload of Father's Day card from 5 years ago
still in the card shop, still in a Tesco, and in the pharmacies.
And then when a woman talk about they want equal rights and equal things, so my time there's some stuff in a life where I just for woman, there's some stuff in a life
just
where a man are excelling at. I just saw it forgot.
But like, when I have to be real, seeing, and even though I'm a man and everything and them something there, I could be real. Like, it's a small percentage. I remember, it's a small percentage a woman.
Lie.
Breads, let me finish. Let me finish. It's a small percentage a woman is a deadbeat man.
Breads, allow him to finish his point, please, and then you can respond.
A small percentage of woman is a deadbeat mother compared to the man them. No. It's a bigger percentage in the male population who are deadbeat.
Would you like some water?
No.
Fix me up on a shot at the room, the father.
So that's your opinion.
Yeah. So in terms of the woman's side, it's a smaller population.
No.
It's a minority in the woman's side. You see me? In terms of the man, you have this big gap where you say, especially in our demography, you have, when I say one good,
I say 60.
One good 40% of the man them are deadbeat. 40. And here I remember some of the good father them, what we consider as good father, and for them picnic. Because if you want go back to the jacket thing again, remember, say Jamaica, want good 60% of Jamaica jacket.
But with that statement, wouldn't you consider the woman to be...
No. So 99% na our diaspora woman.
Yeah.
Can you say 60% of jacket?
If we're looking at it from that perspective.
So them are worse than deadbeat because them are getting the wrong person picnic. Oh, yeah, talking about that. Anyway.
Yeah, all right. Anyway.
So, hold on. If you can say them steroid, because you literally just shoot your partner in the foot. So, if you say 40% of man are deadbeat, that means 60% is solid father, yeah?
Like present and whatever.
If I say 60% are the umbre them get jackets, so 20%
Yeah, that's why I said 6.
So the woman then we get the man them. But listen, no,
but listen to the point
you're
though.
saying it.
Because I agree with Brett's.
The woman then we get the man them a jacket them, yeah. Then most of the man them I will put in one minor car now. Him and mine and next man pitney, and you generally purposely know, yeah. My point is here, there's as much deadbeat mother as father. It's different. When a man go about in business, they pitney left for the mother. Enough man don't want to pitney themselves too, but you don't have to deal with them.
Yeah.
Having a pitney in your house don't mean say you're a great parent. It just means that you're a parent. You do what you think you do. Being a great parent, there's no like. You have to do this.
But great is better than...
No, hold on. Yeah. Being a great parent, that means you have to do certain things. You have to do what you can do the best of your ability.
To the best. And make sure that your children are happy.
Get them child a lot.
Yeah.
But what? Show the woman and, the man running for that's why. No. Because at the end of the day, if the woman running for a man, I'm going to take up the big and do him for do. In the ratio, yeah, we just assume, say, most of the man them are deadbeat more than the woman them. But the woman them, deadbeat mass under the fact them will pick them because a desolate land. Enough woman never want to pick this up my time. Because when 2 teenagers have picnic, yeah, the girl never want the youth.
Yeah,
she grew to, some of them grew to love the child.
I think you are mixing up the fact.
No,
deadbeat and unwanted is different.
Hold on.
Yeah, mix up a thing, them birds.
Hold on, but if you follow the point from beginning, birds, I'm gonna jump in. If you follow the point from beginning, bro, your statement was, you think 40% of the father population are deadbeats.
Yeah.
Yes. So the other 60, they're active fathers. They're doing what they need to do. Blah blah. Black sheep have any wool. So we're looking at it from the perspective of the jacket situation. Say, whole heap of them youth, they were the man them take care of active fathers doing what they need to do. They are fathers to children who are not theirs.
Yeah.
Hold on, listen to the point. So we're saying the mothers who have pinned these children onto the mandem that are not their actual fathers could be considered as deadbeat mothers because they've given children to these men who are not actually theirs.
And that's enough more
so
percentage.
I think, and I do agree with that point, it's not fair for a woman.
So when I mix it,
there's no mixing it up.
Hold on.
There's no mixing.
Hold on for 1 second. What is a deadbeat? A deadbeat is somebody
who is not active, who is not present,
who is not active and taking responsibility of their responsibility. Yeah. Like a child, make sure so the child eat, drink, instill some justice in the child and grow the child the right way, right?
Right.
If a woman grow him picnic, even though him give it to the wrong father, don't make him mad at deadbeat.
Yes.
You make her a wicked woman.
No,
it's different. No.
Deadbeat, wicked woman.
She's wicked.
Una mix it up.
She's
wicked different from deadbeat. So here one know.
Wicked worse.
Here one know. Remember say jacket around from Mary days, Because remember Mary give first jacket, See it? So in terms of them something there, like some of the time we know say jacket give without a woman really know. Say it's a jacket because some of the time she's sexually active with 3, 4, 5 different men.
Quite a number of people, yeah.
And she feel like say, at this man, she get pregnant for which and truly is not
true.
The person is the other man or whatever. And some of the time them just not know, and some of the time the kids get bigger and it's this feature in the guy was say, them say, them know say a film picnic surely when him grew up, but he gone too far and the man don't invest him hard earning money and him time. So it come like a secret we have to take to the grave. So we see them sitting up so often in Jamaica. And the thing what we say about deadbeat father now, we know say the man them get the jacket, them always be a good father, because you know.
Yeah.
Them always want picnic so much. Because some of the time in our culture we don't acknowledge say some man have problem with them reproduction. Them not no swimmers, a be a black, them a fire. You see whole pa rum and Pepsi and them something there.
Yeah.
And whole pa rum and boots and them something there. I eat a mash up enough away. You see me? So enough for the man them where get some youth, because them never get no youth yet and never get no girl pregnant and them something there. When they get a little jacket there, them just take them quick and fast. So we have to acknowledge that, and me not say it's right when a woman give a man a jacket. But somebody pussy them when they take jacket, man.
Why them for take it?
Because here we know we have spread out the thing, Yes. We have spread out the thing.
Clarify what that is, because that is a very wise statement.
Spread out the thing, meaning...
Clarify, because that is a very wise
Spread out the conversation.
No, spread out the thing.
What thing?
So here we know.
Why?
See, you know, You know why you spread it out? Because some of the
Why?
man them when I get youth, see? Some of the man them when I get the youth, we have to breed some girl and make some other mind some youth. Everybody can't be guilty, you know.
Yo.
Otherwise, you have one man have 10 and 15 pitney.
So basically, on that notion, you're saying that if you breed a woman, you know, say a next man, they with her.
No, and
Let me finish that. So you're a deadbeat because you know, say the youth are yours, because you know, say you breed her. The girl say, yo, you know, say, yeah,
But the next man I take care of.
But you willingly make the man take care.
take
So
care.
you two are no wicked and deadbeat.
No, I'm not going to do that. I'm
Wow.
just saying, in terms of the wider, you have to look on the wider scale of life. Because here we know, some of the girl look on a man money and say, boy, some of them know say, because I know man and woman will know say, yo, him know say a film pitney and woman know say, him know, but him just give it to their man because their man they have piece of food.
And him can't
And their man they
afford
sit
it.
up away or them know say, yo, breads will go foreign soon. You know, and the man
But then,
pitney go up.
but then again, the pitney now go up, dog.
And then, here where the fuck we go on now?
When them reach
so
for
the fuck we start.
when them reach for do DNA
Remember, you
test.
know, Mass Paul and Miss Jane. I know them good murder in a church.
How much years?
Years and be things. And when Mass Paul fly out and go up on farmer a couple times, you know, him never bother far back down one at a time. And, you know, him sent for the big daughter.
The big
And the
son.
big daughter gone up. You know, he told little one them down there. And then him sent for the next one. And then he set a blood clot. The next one a jacket him can't go up. So you know, marriage mash up, you know.
I'm probably that pit name like the
Big
most.
big Christian
Probably.
turn back and be things that weed him
Probably.
start bun and turn rasta now.
Probably.
Lick him chip.
But it's an unfortunate situation. I want to take this time out to appeal to the man them. Like, if you are not an active father at this point in time, I know some situations and relationships, they deteriorate after a while, but we have to take into consideration the children. Even if you can be amicable for the sake of the children, you don't have to be friends with your baby mother. You don't have to be friends with your baby father. See? Wanna start a little thing, man. Take out the well, wait. Not ask him yet. Not ask him yet. Wait. Not ask him yet. Just make sure that you try to play an active role in your children's lives. I know say some woman wicked. I know say some woman terrible, and vice versa. They will prevent you from seeing your children, but we need that relationship between father and
Alright.
children to be built.
You must say
But
what?
I think Dragon did have a
Before-
question to
before
ask
Mark
you.
say, when you say deadbeat as well, yeah, it just mean the person active because somebody can in your life and still have nothing for you. As me say, it's hard.
But that's still deadbeat.
No, that may say. So
Okay.
that's me say far back to when if a woman have the youth. Then I mean she have it to look after him. Cause some woman, if them be honest to themselves, when them are picking too young, none of them neglect them.
Yeah, because they want to try and live their life.
They regret
Yeah.
and them parents pitney. What people know say that my mother never liked me and I'm the first born. Because the kind of mother saying I could have done on the road, I do this, or I could have done my education. And them grow them because them have to grow them because them stuck with them. You see me? So not because somebody live on their roof means that you're the best. You just do it because one you don't want to lose face. Because people say, yo, watch her. And she got breathe on her. And the mother say that.
Yeah.
So you want to prove him wrong. And some start off like that and then change. A deadbeat person or a father in that sense, I say, the first phase of the life, it might end a youth life. But him can fall back. Being a parent is not a start and ending. It's being a parent.
It's 24/7, and we have to understand as well that people's perspectives change in life.
And
so
then again, I've deadbeat here. A girl we call a deadbeat dog because one day you miss to get a little money. Deadbeat, post soul. No. It's a word that's thrown around loosely as well because if a woman, some baby mother, now agree with the father, them slander them.
true.
And some of them
We've
love
seen
money. And them dash money upon her, yo, dragon at them.
Best.
Yes!
Yeah.
So let's get this audio. Let's clarify what's a deadbeat. Everybody do remember said the phone line is open. You could call
Somebody call in.
the line. That's 079 444 72282. So please call in. The number is up on the screen. Feel free to call. Make your voice be heard because we want to find out tonight what tick the box to make somebody be a deadbeat. Because
Hey, that's a good question. You know.
either because me know say you have man, they're active in the kids' life like financially, but in terms of like there for the kids, like speaking to the kids, you know, and just the guidance where a child need to grow.
Yeah.
They're not there, and you know, spending time like a bonding part them because grew up in Jamaica and some youth, you know, when
They're
you
not
go to
used to
school,
that.
them call them barrel kids because
Father
them
said dumb
parents,
things.
one of them parents absent, so you don't know everything good when the daddy or the mother send in a barrel. You know them always a brag about them father or mother who is abroad. So what tick the box for a parent to be a deadbeat? If anybody have any input on that, please call
Give us a call.
Numbers on the screen.
There are 5 people calling there. Yeah, I hear 5 different reasons right back around to contradict the other one because I say
but then
it's perspective. Because when somebody tell you say the person your baby, you say my baby mother she worthless and she can't look after you good, that's you telling me. But then now somebody can tell me say yo, she has struggled but she has do her thing. Different perspective.
Yeah, because everybody's situation is quite different. So
deadbeat really and truly don't have a significant meaning in
no,
a
man,
one.
have deadbeat,
No, in a one way because you can be a deadbeat in a situation, but you're doing other stuff around that. Where next person that say
that's true.
That's good,
That's
and then
true.
the opposite way that deadbeat is not deadbeat for them. Because everybody expectation is different from
But
someone else.
but there are common denominators, as we would say, that most people say this, and this. At least 3 pointers people can say, yo.
And when we do have some parent where tick every box in terms of not doing what they're supposed to do.
True.
Because here we know, it'll come like say, a girl make a broke man breed him and want everything
And
tomorrow.
expect, yeah.
You know, go work hard. Mama member say when they fuck the boy and broke. See?
Say now get rich overnight.
And not get rich overnight unless him win a lot or something really turn
Why
evil.
the
So
joke
you know what I want.
Some people have 2 parents at the house, and they told them worthless.
Well, that
Like
happens.
2 of them at the house. I don't know about that, must I say.
But there are situations like that.
2
that
parents at the
happens.
household, structured, same nuclear family. But guess what? It's a time bomb, as the word says. And then enough of them pick the grower with a coach or a teacher or a mentor or be a father or a mother to them more. Anything they want, like for instance, a female, say a time or a month. So they tell her mother at the house, she'll tell her auntie or another female figure. And a male where I tell him father, say, you know, say, meet a girl on the road and you know, say, you know, ships going on, man. You see me? He might tell him uncle or him you know, them place. So my time is like, if you go outsource the people to help you as a kid, that means your parents have not do something right. And so my time, this it comes down to the struggle in society as well, because when you have struggle, it's like, it's crazy. Me was fortunate to know, I grew up with both mother and father in the same house.
Okay.
And me understand my mother and father finances where it wasn't really that bad, but when some man gets certain, I say the barrel kids if I'm firing, me now bad man and come and know say for them people that are fired, I don't know what them I do forget it, we do it.
So I must a bad man and next man for your
But
thing.
watch it now, guess what happened? Now me they are England, them they are Jamaica. I'm gonna go to them and beg me. Suppose me they say, yo, when I'm a little, no I'm playing the game. No, because everybody them time and moment. I mean not still.
So that means that you are bringing a sense of earth from then to now.
No, see, I just said, me not have them up feet. Must show you say, you wait your time for years. Cause if me this bad man and I say, yo, probably my blessing with a black. Me just accept when me have, them father and mother they are firing, are send things. My mother got firing and send for me. Oh, my father drop out after me left. But other than that, me end up there when me can't mess with my mother, you see me?
Yeah. Right.
So me can't bad mind someone that gets up before me. That's what I'm saying. Cause I grew up with my mother and father say, yo, whatever you get.
And
when
then,
you have your whole out.
yeah, and that I mean, you're bringing in different perspectives now. You're bringing in how a household is grown and how people view all the barrel children situation and rate.
You know, say to be fair, like a lot of people, this is a very touchy subject for them because them know say yo, either some of them themselves is a deadbeat or them have first hand experience at it. I would say most of our demographic.
Yeah, that's true.
You know, because at some point, you know, not because you live with both parents means like so one can be a deadbeat. Because if you live at house with your mother and your father, and your mother do everything because your father is just a breadwinner and just make sure you see your mother have little food for put on the table. Not necessarily give you, you know.
Yeah.
It's just so happen that you in at the house. So when you give your mother money and food cook, you get a piece of food. You know? Every now and then them screw up in face when you give one lunch money for go to school and them way there. And cuss you and abuse you, you know? Be it you is like a personal slave or helper because remember I said them thing you go on a lot in Jamaica, you know.
And for a long time.
Him go road and go bar and go play domino and gamble. And when him come in, a problem you don't know. Mummy get beat up, you get beat up, a pay fuck go in the house.
Unfortunately.
Them they are deadbeat father too. So it's so much factor in terms of deadbeat father we have to look at.
See,
so
exactly.
it's very wide. So Me feel like say you have a few major thing make a deadbeat father.
But
Our mother.
Our mother,
Yeah. Me know you keep on
if
that.
you are
Parent.
missing financially out of the kid's life, that tick one of the boxes because we know say finance, it's very important because money make your world go around.
But
You see, especially
missing if
in
you
reason.
if within reason, because
Within
if
reason.
you genuinely don't have
Have
it,
it,
you
you
just
can't do
genuinely
nothing.
don't have it.
within reason. All right.
Yeah.
So within reason. So that's why I say you can't just be one sticking factor. It have to be a few.
Several.
So
right.
if you're missing financially, yeah, you tick one of the box. Remember, a 3 strike you're out, then you're deadbeat. You're not there financially, yeah. You're not there physically, and you're not there mentally.
Yeah.
Mentally means say if you're not there physically, like say for instance, you have a picnic live at Jamaica, and you can't do the go to school, do the pick up, do the drop off, go see a kid picnic. If you're there foreign, at least you're supposed to can talk to that child of yours often
Especially
to find out
I know
what
what
in
is
them
video
life.
call. They
And,
know.
you know,
Technology is there.
and
yeah.
try keep that close knit bond with your child
Yeah,
because I think in this day and age is a very important
Quite.
thing.
It's
Let me ask you a
important.
question.
Yeah.
Is that kind of statement or a question? Where you want to put it? You have some woman.
Yeah.
Talking out of the fire
You
for
have
my
some.
friend.
You have some woman here. If a man have money, for give her, but him dead as a present,
Yeah.
and I look after the youth, pick up, drop off. I'll keep the baby when I'm obviously still got nourish, save the money.
Right.
Some women don't want that. Them see that as nothing, and then there's some woman would have love the man give them less of a money, but
And
more
more
of time
more
and help.
time.
More time and help. Yeah. So, with that said, yeah.
No.
With that said, yeah, a man will try to be them picking life, and a woman don't want that. Where your class are as them.
Pardon me? Repeat that
A
again.
man want a woman life, yeah, but
Why in the kid
He
life?
might not pick the life,
Yeah.
but financially, I say him not have it like that. For say,
Yeah.
yo, for give, him can give what him can give, but him did 100% that time. Say the picking the same. I thought big picking now.
Yeah.
So pick up, drop off. So him guy yard, if him live there, pick up the youth, get him ready, drop him at school, go back feed, pick him up, keep him till she come home. So take off a little stress there for her and that time, probably cook her some food, whatever, yeah. But then she not like a car, she has say him not give her enough money, only give her when him can, cause him not have it. But then there are some woman will love that, other than someone to say, oh, just give me the money and go away business, we don't really give a crap.
Right.
So where they call him that woman the way prefer money than the time spent with the youth.
Ungrateful.
Like you have some girl is just
Ungrateful.
You know,
No, we're not calling
them
that,
just a
that's a
gold
woman.
digger. You have some woman just a gold digger.
Ungrateful.
Seeing and everybody situation is different and everybody outlook at life is different because you get me? As a man, me feel like say before you get a girl pregnant because remember if you get a girl pregnant and in her early days she tells us she's pregnant and between that little time you should have give her what you call it
Window.
a good 4-week window where you figure out and say yo
You
whether
figure out
we
what
should,
your plan
we should
is.
go through with it or we should try to get rid of it because let me tell you this because I an idea remember say it's a sentence it's an 18-year sentence you have put yourself through so some of the time you as a man as harsh as it might sound now man I know every youth will come a road man some of them forget that way
We're going to joke here, we say that here. We don't watch a sentence,
I
yeah.
don't like that statement, but
Yeah.
okay, cool.
A sentence, basically, the woman asks a girl a question. She's like, if you get pregnant, yeah, and you don't have abortion, yeah, would you console the father? Yeah? As a child, she said, no, I fear her body, yeah? So the woman says, so, you don't want a child, suppose the man want a child. I don't care, it's my body.
Yeah, that's
So
unfair.
then the man, she says, okay, let's flip it. Suppose you want a child and the man don't want a child. You dash to it, no. So it's like, as I say, you're not chop because anything you do, that's why some man, they call deadbeat because they say the man tell her straight, me don't want a youth, but you want to keep it. So in have it, the man are going to tell it.
Don't expect him to
do
step
nothing.
up to be right.
So if my dad tell you straight to yo, if you go to that door, my thump in your face. You get thump in your face. So when they fall into woman, some of them have a youth against all the man wishes. And some man no want a youth, but if you go there without a protection, that's
but
risk.